Is it time to buy or sell supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we are diving deep into supermicrocomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 11th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of December, 2024, our system has identified supermicrocomputer as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.38. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a loss of negative 5.55%. This equates to an average loss of negative 2.78% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakthrough at the upper trend line, specifically at $43.67, would initially indicate a slower rate of decline and may signal the beginning of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of negative 26.22% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 73.84% to negative 15.86%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a negative 24.12% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return varying from negative 100% to 89.97%. This translates to a price range of $0 to $72.74 after a year. Our latest daily update for supermicrocomputer features the headline: Supermicrocomputer stock price fell more than 5.55% on Wednesday, closing at $38.29. The supermicrocomputer stock price decreased by 5.5% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 11th of December, 2024. The price dropped from $40.54 to $38.29. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 7.57%, reaching a low of $36.07 and a high of $38.80. Over this period, the stock has experienced ups and downs, resulting in an 11.26% gain over the last 2 weeks. On the last trading day, volume declined along with the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator as volume should align with stock movement. Specifically, trading volume fell by 3 million shares, with a total of 79 million shares being traded for approximately $3.01 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $122.90, while the lowest price was $17.25. Currently, the stock price is 68.84%, or $84.61, below the 52-week high of $122.90, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Supermicro, or SMCI, is currently navigating a tumultuous period, yet the outlook appears cautiously optimistic for the upcoming year. Recent reporting highlights several factors that may influence its stock performance moving into 2025. Notably, the company's chances of being delisted from the Nasdaq are diminishing, coupled with a restoration of trust in management, creating a favorable environment for investors. In fact, the stock has soared over 65% in the last month, recovering from a steep decline earlier this year, which wiped out about 85% of its market value. On a technical analysis front, Market sentiment remains volatile, exacerbated by an investigation into brokerage recommendations linked to significant investor losses. This scrutiny could lead to more skepticism in the short term. However, analysts suggest improvements in margin recovery and internal controls following a special committee's findings might instill confidence moving forward. While the firm has received an extension to file delayed reports until February 25, 2025, resolving these issues effectively is crucial. If Supermicro can solidify its position in the Nasdaq 100 index and execute leadership improvements, it could yield positive returns for shareholders in the long term. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 6th of November, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned SMCI a mixed grade with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 6th of November, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SMCI a reduced grade with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned SMCI an equal weight grade with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned SMCI a buy grade with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned SMCI a buy grade with an initialize recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Supermicro Computer stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro Computer. The Supermicro Computer stock currently displays a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this creates a general buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive outlook. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $41.44. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $33.24. A breakout above the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while a breakdown beneath the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, December 9, 2024, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 13.29%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. The volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 30 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 9 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average shows a buy signal from 15 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 106 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 130 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro Computer. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $33.15 and $33.07. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Supermicro Computer finds support just below today's level at $33.15. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $33.07 and $29.11. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $2.73 between its high and low, or 7.57%. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 7.80%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Supermicrocomputer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 27th of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 75 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicrocomputer. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicrocomputer is at $40.21. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Supermicrocomputer faces its first support level at $33.15. Should this support level hold, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicrocomputer from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 6th day of December, 2024, Liu Tally C conducted an insider purchase of 860 shares of common stock. On the same day, Liu Tally C also executed an insider sale of 860 shares of restricted stock units. On the 10th day of November, 2024, Liu Liang Chu Sarah made an insider purchase of 2,110 shares of common stock. On that same day, Liu Liang Chu Sarah also bought 2,360 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 10th day of November, Liu Liang Chu Sarah conducted an insider sale of 1,135 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 19.625. In total, insiders acquired 3,524,029 shares and sold 5,262,622 shares in the last 100 trades. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Supermicrocomputer exhibits several negative indicators, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overstated. For trading on Thursday, the 12th of December, we anticipate that Supermicrocomputer will open lower, down 57 cents, and begin trading at $37.72. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.